Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to find your 2024 YouTube gaming or music recap? No worries, I've got you covered. Let's find that recap in just a few steps. The first step is to check your notifications. Open the YouTube app and look for a notification about your recap.
Apple or orange.
If it's not there, don't worry, there are other ways to access it. Another step is to use the YouTube search bar. In the app search bar, type 2024 recap or gaming/music recap and hit enter. Your personalized recap link should appear at the top of the search results. Another step is to access the Explore tab. The Access tab is right at the top of the screen where we have the suggestions for music, sewing, podcast and all. Look for the 2024 recap banner under either gaming or music. The next step is to update your YouTube app. If you can't find the recap, your app might be outdated. Head over to the App Store, then search for YouTube and tap Update to update the app. Another step is to use a web browser. Open a browser and go to www.youtube.com/recap. Sign in into your account and your recap should be ready to view. You can also check for your account eligibility. Ensure you are logged into the account you've been using for music or gaming. Recaps are personalized based on your activities. And there you have it, guys. Your 2024 YouTube recap is just a few taps away. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more handy tips. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.